Hi guys, so today I am vlogging. I'm actually all dressed up. I'm about to go out. We are going to our first traditional wedding and yeah, I'm looking forward to it and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Yes. I haven't done a vlog like in so long. It's actually ridiculous. I'm actually so happy to do one today and hopefully this vlog turns out well and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hey babe.
Okay.
What do you want to say to my subscribers?
What's everyone's getting married now, huh?
This is capital, capital.
Me, 4. Everyone's saying how sweet he is, huh? And now they're trying to join the club.
Blink on the track.
So I've tied my Gele. This is my first time doing it. I actually love it. What do you think, babe? You like it? You having fun?
Yeah, I should be inside now.
Well, we're having fun, you know, showing a special moment. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and please subscribe.